How to convert Word to PDF. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can convert your Word document into a PDF file. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I've opened up this Word file over here, and now in order for me to go ahead and convert it, all I would need to do is just open it up and then just simply click on the file and click on export, and then here I can click on create a PDF file. Over here you can even click on change file type, and here you can go with documents, ODX, text files, and other ones as well. But here we click on create PDF, and here you can save and convert to PDF, and click on that button, and boom, your Word document has now been converted into a PDF file. And here you can save it, but this is a docs file. Let me try again. Click on create, and here you can save this document to convert it to PDF. You can create one PDF for free for 30 days. So there you go. So if you click over here, it should work, but currently it's still saying it's in doc, but yeah, after that it should be good to go. And it opens up in Adobe Premiere, and here we go. It'll now go ahead and convert the file within PDF. So it takes a little bit time to load everything up, but once it's done, you should be good to go. As you can see, it first saved the doc, and now it's going to go ahead and convert it. So here, make Acrobat Reader your default PDF reader. No, I don't want to do that. And here, that file is now opened up within the Acrobat in Adobe, and here you can see we have the convert to PDF file. It's loading up, so it'll take a couple of minutes and we should be good to go. So there you go. Leave it as it is, and once it's loaded up, you can go ahead and click on convert to PDF and then save it, and there you have it. That's all it takes to convert a document file within a PDF file. So now all I gotta do is just sign up. So I'll go ahead and continue with Google and see what happens. It's opening up in another tab, and okay, so it's telling me that almost done and we should be good to go. All right, so now I'm logged in. Wait for it to load everything up. You can see right here it's now uploading and converting the document file, the Word file, into a PDF file, and there we go. So after a little while, it is now converted into a PDF file, and we should be good to go. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you convert a Word document into a PDF file. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.